Thank you guys once again for tuning in. Carpentry with Chris. Enjoy the video, subscribe, and God bless you. Have a good one. After I'm done with work, a little jog to the car. San Francisco, a lot of hills. Slow and steady wins the race. Made it. Beautiful sight out there. Scenery. It's not just about cutting wood, also throwing away the trash. Especially when you're new, that's the reality. Pulling this back into me is up. Pushing it to the right is going all the way out, booming out. And then pushing this down is going down. Going forward is booming this down. To move the forks, this is to put the forks up. To move the forks down, to go down. To bring it back to you all the way to the left. To go up is forward. To go down is reverse. Put it in the middle of neutral, all the way down. And when you're done using this, you want to make sure the forks are all the way down.
Well, duh.
Driving a forklift now, forklift. These things are slippery as hell. Walking on the sheet metal, but now they have rebar, so it's a lot more difficult. Usually if you see the red tape here, it's because you're clear to walk without a safety harness on here. But yeah, just watch your steps. They're gonna be doing concrete pouring on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. They're gonna be doing concrete pouring on Thursday, so that's why they're getting this side ready as well. And this is how it looks from the 3rd floor. Woo, about like 36 feet down. Came up with this little trick. If I don't have anything to kind of like cut it, and I know it's not going to be, you have like your tape measure on you, just use that. I marked it right here. Kind of use that as a little stable surface. I don't know, maybe that'll help somebody. So kind of just improvising kind of came to mind was, I don't know, using 2 pieces of wood, going different sides, and just kind of having something strong to kind of kick against. So say someone's working and then they kick here, we're good to go. Oh, on to the next one. All right, how to take these off. Take the nails off that are on one side. Just the side that has 1 nail. Take those off. Leave these on, the ones that have like four nails on them. Look up top, make sure you don't hit anything. You're just gonna hit this top one. Try to make it as straight as possible. Keep your thumb on it. Keep this under. It's gonna go under. Anticipate the weight coming down. Same concept. Have it straight as possible right there. Not higher. Repeat. until it reaches all the way to the ground. There you go. Put my hammer back on. Look out for your surroundings. Back it up this way. Don't let it go all the way down. Just try to get it like right here. Probably right here where both these are at. Easy weight. If you get the right technique. Your eye. So get the side where there's only one nail. There we go. The same thing, just the top one. Straight as possible, like right there. Here comes the weight. Because I can't see. Alright, sorry, you see, I got something right behind me. Okay. Here's your weight transfer. Like this. And that's all for this week. I appreciate you guys for reaching out, giving me comments, emailing me, and so on and so forth. And just always stay motivated, stay driven, never give up. Always do a little bit extra if you can, you know, just try to stay in shape, drink some water, stay healthy, you know, and buy your Red Wing shoes, which I hope to get sponsored by them, and your Carhartt pants, which I hope to get sponsored by them as well. So hopefully they are listening. Carhartt, Red Wings, give me a call, email me. Let's do something. I promise you I will try to behave. I will be a good sponsor for you guys, hopefully. Well, until next time, God bless you. Thank you so much. Hasta luego. Cuídese. Take care.